Hello students, my topic is role of entrepreneur in economic development. But first, discussing about the role of entrepreneur in economic development, first of all, understand the meaning of the term entrepreneur. So, an entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. The process of setting up a business is known as entrepreneurship, and the entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new idea, goods, services, business, and procedures. So basically, we can say that an entrepreneur should have three main characteristics in his behavior. First one is he acts as an innovator. Second is he is an organizer, and third one we can say that the most important feature that an entrepreneur should have is risk bearing ability. All these characteristics made a successful entrepreneur. So, firstly, I want to say that entrepreneur are very plays a very vital role in our society, or we can say that in the economic development also. So today we will discuss all these important topics, points that will help you to understand the role of entrepreneur in economic development. So, first is it creates wealth and sharing. So, we can say that wealth creation and sharing. So, by establishing the business entity, entrepreneurs invest their resources and attract capital in the form of debt, equity, etc. from the investors, lenders, and public also. So, basically, why these entrepreneurs attract capital. This will benefit them also and the society also. But how? So the money that is that the money, or we can say that the amount of capital that is attracted from the investors or lenders and publics, this will help in mobilizing the public wealth and allow the people to benefit from the success of the entrepreneurs and the growing businesses. So this kind of old capital that results in wealth creation and distribution is one of the basic imperatives and goals of the economic development. So the next point is job creator. As we all know that entrepreneurs are self-employed, so they help in creating the job in the society and help in removing the problem of unemployment. Entrepreneurs are by nature and definition they are the job creators as opposed to job seekers. So the simple translation we can say that when you become an entrepreneur, there is one less job seeker in the economy, and then you provide employment for the multiple other job seekers. So this kind of job creation by new and existing businesses is again one of the basic goals of the economic development. That's why the government of India have started so many programs and initiatives such as Startup India to promote and support the new startups, and also others like Make in India initiative to attract the foreign companies and the FDI into the Indian economy. All in these turn create a lot of job opportunities and hence helping in augmenting our standards to a global level. So that's why we can say that entrepreneur is a job creator. Then third point is balanced regional development. As we all know that entrepreneurs set up their own business enterprises, set up their own ventures and industrial units. These setting up of a new business ventures, or we can say that business enterprises, help with the regional development by locating in less developed and backward areas. The growth of industries and businesses in these areas leads to infrastructural improvements like better roads and rail links, airports, stable electricity and water supply, like schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and many more are there that would not otherwise be available in these areas. But by setting up a business enterprises in these local areas, this will help in raising their standards as well as balancing the regional development in the country. So every new business that locate in a less developed area will create both direct and indirect jobs and help lifting the regional economies in a many better ways. Then third is GDP, fourth is GDP and per capita income. So India's ME sector, comprised of 36 million units that provides employment for more than 80 million people, now accounts for over 37% of the country's GDP. Each new addition to these 36 million units makes use of even more resources like land, labor, capital to develop the product and services and that adds to the national income, national product, and per capita income of the country. So this growth in GDP and per capita income is again one of the essential goals of the economic development. So we can say that entrepreneurs help in increasing the GDP and the per capita income, which automatically contribute to the growth of the India's economy. Then fifth point is standard of living. Increase in the standard of living of a people in a community is yet another, we can say that, another key goal of the economic development, and thus again entrepreneurs play a key role in increasing the standard of living in a community. They do it just by creating the jobs and also by developing and adopting innovations that lead to the improvements in the quality of the life of their employers, customers, and other stakeholders in the community. For example, we can say that automation, that means working automatically, that reduces the production cost and enables the faster production, will make business unit more productive, and while also providing its customer and with the same product at lower prices. So overall, we can say that it also helps in raising the standard of living of the people in a living in a community. Then the last is exports. We can say that obviously we can say that any growing businesses with eventually wanted to get started with the export to expand their business to the foreign markets. So this is an important ingredient of economic development, since it provides the better access to the bigger markets and leads to the current currency inflows and access to the latest cutting edge technologies and processes being used in more developed foreign market. So another key benefit is that expansion that leads to more stable business revenues during the economic downturn in the local economy. So in this session, we have discussed all these the major points, or we can say that major topics that will help you to understand the role of entrepreneur in the economic development. So we can, there are also other ways. There are also other ways by which entrepreneur plays an important role in the economic development, or in any in on or we can say that in any country's economy. So they are very important for the country's growth. So that's why the government of every country wants to take initiative and encourage these entrepreneurs to be emerged from the society, by sharing their creative ideas to the general public, and help them providing the necessary products that their customer needs and that customer wants, and try to satisfy their needs and wants by making those products and available and make available in the market. So the role of entrepreneur is very important. Thank you.